You mentioned protein folding, which I'm guessing is not meat origami. Well, what exactly?
So your DNA codes for the creation of a protein. Proteins are these structural molecules. They're the most important molecules other than DNA in your body. They are your antibodies. They are your muscle tissue. They are a multitude of different parts. And your proteins are built by a sequence of amino acids. There are these 23 amino acids, and the order of these amino acids, basically, as they come on, as they're manufactured, one amino acid attached to the next, to the next, to the next. As they're manufactured, they fold into a very precise three-dimensional shape, always into that same exact shape. And that shape, the structure, the protein, dictates its function. And we know what the amino acid sequence is, but for 50 years, we've never been able to say this amino acid sequence folds into this exact shape. It was such a difficult problem, was called the supercomputing problem. I remember in medical school, like, when we do that, that will be amazing. Well, it was solved by...
Because we can take amino acids, then these building blocks, and create muscle cells, or create...
We can create novel proteins, which will become medicines, drugs to help cure things. We know that we need a three-dimensional structure to block this active site on the surface of a cell. So we can start to actually say, this is the structure we need, and what amino acid sequence will create that structure. Like hemophilia is a misfolded protein, right?
Okay.
Sickle cell anemia. All these diseases are from misfolded proteins that have a single error in the genome code.
So if we know how to fold them correctly, we can develop drugs that can facilitate that.
And so DeepMind under Demis created something called AlphaFold, which was an AI program that was able to accurately predict the folding of a long chain of amino acids to a perfect structure within a single atomic radius.
Wow.
And it was unheard. It was thought impossible. And then when it was done, it was, won the Nobel Prize. This was like the first time that we saw AI make a massive dent in increasing these infinite options of how AI will be used.
Yes, our understanding, and maybe something we can actually do. So if you like that clip, there's a lot more where that came from. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you won't miss our new videos as they come out each week.